What's up, YouTube? And my name is Zaire, and today I'm back with another Takeover Tuesday with my mom, Precious Kisses, and let's see if she can freestyle my hair. Let's go! The first product we're going to be using is Creme of Nature Pure Honey. This is something that my mom uses on my hair all the time now. Let's sit back and watch and see what she comes up with. I love when she freestyles my hair because I never know what style she's going to do.
I actually work really fast because when I freestyle hair, it's because we're more or less in a rush and we've got to the point where we kind of challenge ourselves and see if we can do it quickly. So I think we can get it done in about an hour and a half, but I think we beat that time with about an hour and 20 minutes on this particular style. I'm using jam in our parts so that everything is smooth and straight. And you'll also see me use right there the whipped shea butter because that's his protection from the weather and everything else. And no split ends. Let's go.
It's funny watching myself get my hair done.
This is the last box braid that I'm putting in the back of his hair. It is one of 4 rows.
She got camera tricks. At this point, I think we're almost done.
I think after watching this, he sees that we're nowhere close to being done. Yeah.
I'm trying to see where she's going with this.
I never tell him what I'm gonna do, so I'm actually just making things up in my head. So you'll see me switch from side to side to keep him kind of guessing where I'm putting braids and what I'm doing, because he's always trying to figure out what style I'm putting together. So this is just kind of a fake out, going from side to side and making different parts everywhere. While we're watching this, I'm just watching his eyes. Like, he is really tripping me out because he is trying to figure out this hairstyle.
She's everywhere right now. I have no idea what she's doing.
That's the point, son. I'm keeping you off guard, making sure I know what I'm doing and you don't, because you watch me in the monitor.
Right here, I knew she was doing a crisscross.
We are officially on the last braid, and I was trying to make sure everything ended up even, but I think the back of this braid ended up a little bit thicker than the other, and I didn't realize it until I was braiding it. So by the time I realized there was a little more thickness in the cross, not this particular part, but you'll see me braided across the other two braids. And right then I realized, wow, like, it's not something that anybody else would notice, but I noticed it. So I hate that. I like everything to be neat and symmetrical. So I'm finishing this braid by connecting it, and his name is Zaire, spelled with an X, so I thought it would be cute to put X's on his head. The triple X, that's what they do. So it came out really nice, and like literally his hair just started to tangle. I'm guessing it got dry, and it started to tangle on me, but I worked through it. You can see the knot in it, but I'm working through it with no problems. As always, this is what I do. So imagine doing 4 heads just like this, like every week. And it literally, I do all of the hair every week. So it's a bit of a challenge. You'll see me change the positions with my hand as I braid because it's so long that braiding it down gets tiring. So I try to braid it up. I'm braided overhand, then I'll switch to underhand. I just switched again. I keep going. So just trying to get the tangles off the ends. And then I'll be done with this last braid.
Take a minute and smash that subscribe button and like.
I do make sure I braid his hair all the way to the ends, because if I do not braid it to the ends, I do notice he receives some damage because it does reach under his tailbone, so he ends up sitting on it. Right here, you'll see me do the same thing I do every time, which is put the mousse on so that he doesn't have much flyaways. And I smooth it all the way through his braids and add a little more to the ends, just to hold his hair. I don't like the flyaway look at all. And then what I'm doing here is I'm going to add some wet line to the ends of his hair so they'll curl under. So that's what I'm doing right here, just to make his ends a little bit harder, less easy to braid, because I just had to cut 5 inches off his hair, so I don't want to have to do that big of a cut again. So that's the hairstyle. You can see the X there, and the X there, triple X Zaire. And his box braids in the back. I think it's 4 layers, and I think we are good to
Thank
go.
you for watching this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, like, leave a comment down below, hit the notification bell, and bye.
He means he'll see you in the next video.